don't.
We eat onions every day.
We do. We eat onions every day.
And another thing, onions stretch things out. Whenever you eat Chinese food, well, I'm a person who puts extra onions in. But you know how you get your eggs young, or you get your beef and broccoli, it's always these big, huge chunks of onions. It's good for you, but let's keep it real. It stretches the food out.
They put the whole onion in.
It stretches food out. So, there you go. So if you don't want to eat a whole bunch of carbs or whatever, or bad things, stretch it out with the onions. And the onions and the garlic and everything. It helps with your blood pressure.